Hey, good morning. It's crisp. I think it's probably about 42 degrees out here. It feels really good. I got to go open the farm stand. Then I'm going to carry some mums up here. The rest of the mums put them out. And then we're going to start a new challenge. Warms up a little bit. We're going to plant some garlic. So we'll see how that goes. I get this stand opened up. And basically all I gotta do is open the door today, get started with, and look at these bones, they're pretty. Let's go over here and I'll show you the sign, our farm sign they fixed up today, or yesterday they fixed it up. Of course, see these little pumpkins they put up here. I got that idea from Vermont. That little road that we walked on, everybody had those on there. All right, so I'm gonna get this open, and we'll go down there and get the rest of the mums brought up here. So we're going to try something new, a new challenge for us. We're going to plant some garlic, and got my TYM, got my John Deere, got my side-by-side, got a cameraman. First thing I'm going to do is mow this a little bit. So I'm going to eventually mow all this and put some rye down, cover crop. And so I'm going to go ahead and mow it before I till it. So I'm going to do a little mowing or bush hogging with a TYM. I'm going to hit it with my tiller, and then we're going to plant some garlic. So I'm going to get started on TYM. kind of see how dry it is when I was bush hogging and how dusty it is. And this has got just a little bit of moisture in it. So anyway, so I ordered really didn't know how much to order, but I ordered a ½ pound and I already broke it up. And it comes in a bulb, and I broke it up. And you plant the pointy side up. This is the pointy side. And this is a soft neck. And there's two different kinds. There's a hard neck and a soft neck. And a hard neck's more for cold. Although I think we can grow a hard neck, but they recommend to start with that you do a soft neck. So that's what I'm starting with. Like I said, it's the first time for us. And so let's get started. I think you just barely probably about 2-3 inches deep and every 6 inches or so.
Can you smell the garlic?
Yeah. Yeah, you smell it.
Keep all the vampires away.
Yeah, it's getting close to Halloween, right?
There you go.
Earthworm.
Where's the earthworm at?
It's a good sign.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're gonna fast forward and get this done, and we'll come back and show you. I don't know if it'll show you why, but we're gonna get it with my standing plan. All right, we're gonna try it and we'll come back. All right, so I think this will work. It's you drop it in there bottom side, it kind of stays down in that way. I guess it's weighted or something. Yeah, it's a lot easier than doing the other way.
Less on your back, ain't it?
Yeah. A lot easier on your back, so. So I did about, turn around and you can see how far it went. We started basically at the tractor. I would say it's a good 150 feet of garlic. And I could go that far, but like I said, this is the first time we've done this, so. We'll see how it goes. Now when that comes up, we're supposed to have like 2 or 3 weeks of warm weather, and once it comes up, I'll put hay down to kind of mulch around it, and then hopefully next spring we'll pull it up, have some garlic. So, new challenge for us, something new. If it does good, we'll do a whole lot more next year. Like I said, I think this was a ½ pound. It was 8 cloves. And like I said, I didn't know how much to order. If I got a pound, I probably could have finished this row out and did part of another row, but that's all right. I'm actually gonna put some corn over here next year. Over in this area, we're gonna put pumpkins, about an acre of pumpkins over there next year, and this spring actually, or I guess be this summer. So got big plans, some wild eyes and big plans, and we'll see how it turns out. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. We've been selling a few today and carried them up there. So like I said before, I'll try to knock this background noise out. I don't know if I can, but I'll try. Appreciate everybody watching. I'll keep you updated on this. Hopefully it comes up and we'll mulch it in. And like I said, we'll have garlic. us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate everybody watching. We'll see you down here in the next video.